It's funny how life works. When I was a kid, I worked as a picker at a blueberry farm. And today, I'm back in a blueberry field at Williams Blueberry Farm in Deming. But despite their long history, when the farmstead was established, they weren't growing any berries.
They had cows and beef, all their own vegetables. I think the first bushes went in like 1952, and some of the original plantings are still here and still producing.
Alexandra Williams works alongside her extended family on the farm. Successfully growing and selling berries means it's all hands on deck.
My husband manages the fields, my sister-in-law manages the packing house. Pretty much anything that involves typing or computers or paper, that's my job. It's just really cool to see 3 generations all working together with the same end goal.
As a smaller farm, Williams uses every resource they can find to make sure they're taking good care of the land and the natural resources around them. That's where the Whatcom Conservation District steps in.
The first time we got help from the Conservation District was after the 2021 floods here. They definitely came in and did some helpful stuff, like with the cleanup aftermath of the flood for us.
Now, Alexandra and her family are working to get help with the next item on their list, their irrigation system, which I got up close and personal with.
So there's blueberry. Oh, that was a good one.
Welcome to the working farm, right?
We want to use water more efficiently. We're running low on water in a lot of parts of the county, and we understand that farmers have a tight budget.
Trevor Gearhart is the farm planner for the Whatcom Conservation District. His help and expertise is making sure that Williams Farm gets the new irrigation they need at a fraction of the cost, all while working to keep the environment clean and healthy.
Right now you can see the hand lines, they're somewhere in the like 60 to 70% efficient. So 60 to 70% of the water that comes out of that sprinkler actually gets into the ground. What we're hoping to do is put in a drip system here, which puts the drip line right along the ground of the blueberries, and we're in the 90 to 95% efficient water use at that point. You're not getting water on the plants and on the fruit, so you reduce like the mold that is possible and the pest pressure.
I just feel like everybody at the Whatcom Conservation District has been so helpful. Trevor's helped me with maps for our inspections and just goes above and beyond.
A productive farmer is a farmer who has the time to take care of the land around them. And so as long as we're farming this land and not letting it just sit there, it's going to be healthier.
And we get to eat all the good food.
And we get to eat all of our local food.
Drip line's expensive. It's just always been such a large expense. We've never really been able to find money in the budget for that.
What I would want farmers to know is that we're here to help. We're not regulatory. Our goal is to keep a farm functioning and efficient and to improve it as much as we can.
Everybody should be doing it.
Everyone.
If they're willing to help you and it could save your farm for another generation, why not?